What did you say to Griffin in the car?
I said to Griffin, Daddy's saying some food, but when I asked him, he did.
Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. The sun, if you can see it, is shining through them dark clouds. So I think it's going to be a good week, full of positivity. So poor little Willow is not going into school today because she did not have a good night's sleep last night whatsoever. So the best thing really we thought was to keep her off, and she hardly takes medicine. She absolutely hates the stuff, and she keeps getting a bit of a temperature, so she's going to be off. And I've got a long day. Actually, I've got 4 long days, but I'm hoping if I manage to do the hours that I'm expecting to do, that I'll be able to finish early on Friday, and boy, I would have deserved it. So fingers crossed. We will see how I get on. So yeah, that's it from me. It's absolutely bitter cold. And I'm shattered because I stayed up and watched the wrestling last night and didn't get to bed till about 2:45 this morning. And then I was up at 7. It's my own fault, but hey, I like the wrestling. And sometimes a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. So anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I finished work. It's really late. It's like 10 to 7 already. But I had stacks and stuff to put away, and it's always a late night when I wait till the end. But look, in aid of St. Patrick's Day, we have green lights and a green clock. So happy St. Paddy's Day, guys, especially you, Mammy and Zoe. So I've just been into the co-op, picked up some raspberries for Willow and Isaac's packed lunch. Willow, if she's feeling better, if not then she'll have them at home, but get some fruit into them. I'll bob into into Tesco's, and then I'm heading to the tram. So I'll catch up with you guys, and hopefully we'll have something fun to do, dependent on how all 3 kids are. Because if Willow's not really feeling up to it, then I don't want her to miss out. So come with me, we'll go and find out. So I'm off the tram and I'm heading home, but I just wanted to say hi to Jack. Hiya, love. And also I just wanted to throw a bit of love out to Kylie. Kylie's one of our subscribers, and she has had such an awful time recently. Her grandma's just recently passed away, so just want you to let you know that we're thinking of you and sending you lots of love. So I've just had my tea. It was lovely, toad in the old mash and beans. And Griffin went in the car today with Willow. Willow and Uncle Pete stayed with Griffin in the car, didn't you, while Daddy went shop? So you just said something very, very funny. What did you say to Griffin in the car?
I said to Griffin, Daddy saying you some food, but when I asked him, he goes, meow.
Griffin said meow.
Yeah, he just said that.
Did he?
Yeah. He just said meow.
I think you're so funny.
He just said that in a couple of hours.
He said it in a couple of hours. He said meow.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed sharing my mash with me, didn't you?
Yeah.
Was it nice? And we're now watching the Michael Jackson programme, if any of you have seen it. So we're
And
gonna
then what I like.
So are you feeling much better, darling? Oh dear.
Still.
You still got a cough?
Yeah.
You can have tomorrow off?
Yeah. It's gonna be better in school tomorrow.
Oh, you're going to be better in school tomorrow? All right, well, we'll see you in the morning how you get on, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. In a bit. Say, in a bit.
My hair.
Oh, look at you with the unicorn onesie.
And my horn. My other horn. I have rainbow hair, Mummy.
I love it. I miss my rainbow hair.
Well, you have some hair.
I have got hair, yeah.
That's a dark purple, that.
I know, I need to put more on, don't I? Oh dear, bless you.
Still.
Hey guys, so I'm kind of ending yesterday's video now. I'm really sorry that it was such a short video, but with one thing and another, Willow not being well, Dave's phone was out of action all day while he was editing and exporting, and obviously I worked a super long day. Then it was just one of those days where we didn't do much. So if you've enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, and if you're new to us, click the subscribe button, join the Tree Squad, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully for a longer video. See ya!